What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For you people that may not know, now you know, boo. How y'all doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Today, guys, we got the Bijou Beauty Box. Now, I don't know what happened this month with Bijou. I didn't receive a tracking number. I didn't know my package shipped or anything. It just showed up today. And today I think is the 16th. Yes. So guys, if y'all want to see what's in January's Bijou Beauty Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite coffee. I want to try new flavors, guys. Or teas. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? What's cracking? Today we're going to get right on into it. We ain't going to beat around the bush too much. Even though y'all know I love chit-chatting it up with y'all. We'll just take care of that in the comments. While you're at it, go ahead on and subscribe to your girl. You know, go on and hit that button. Y'all know y'all want to. Y'all want to become a part of this bomb-ass subscriber squad. Give this video a big thumbs up. And go on to Instagram after this video and follow me there as well. Thank you very much in advance. I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you, dolls, so much. I appreciate you all for waking up so early to be tuned into your girl. Thank you, guys. Yeah, guys, so today we got Bijou. We're going to get on into the specs. We're going to unbox it. We're going to rate it, and y'all know what the deal is. Y'all ready? Let's go, boo. For you guys that do not know, Bijou Beauty Box is a $30 per month beauty subscription, and it's $5.95 more for shipping. If you subscribe to the 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year subscription, I think you just pay $5.95 for shipping, and I think all the rest of the boxes ship for free. I don't know a minimum value on Bijou. I can't find that anywhere. And if you use the code TonyaNicole, you will get 20% off of your 3 month, 6 month, and 1 year subscriptions. And you can also use the code when they have a sale going on. I will put the link to Bijou down below. This is my last month with Bijou. I've decided not to renew this subscription, so let's get it on and popping. I didn't even see any spoilers for Bijou this month, or maybe one. I think maybe I saw one spoiler, but I didn't really see too much about the box this month, so let's go on and open it up. It's a real surprise to me and you. So it comes like this in a white box every single month. I'm gonna try to locate my scissors so we can cut it. Couldn't find my regular ones, so I'm gonna use these right here. Okay, guys, you ready? Let's go. Oh, it says Happy New Year, LaTonya from Bijou, with a nice little Christmas bow on the front right there. And right on top, I see this, which is very cute. It looks like a pizza palette air freshener for the car, I think. This is what it looks like, guys. This is very cute. What I loved about Bijou was they used to put candy in the boxes, and they stopped doing it a couple months ago, and I missed it, but to get a little car freshener, you know, the mirror car freshener things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay. We also have this little card on top that says Glam Light Sweet Tooth here, and on the back, it's Giselle Hernandez, the owner of Glam Light. And Bijou comes with a card each month, guys, and they have Bijou Beauty Box on here and a list of the products that comes in the box. And yeah, guys, let's go and see what we have. Okay, so I see a couple of things that okay. Up first, we have from ColourPop, and this is the Songbird Matte Lippy stick right here, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Doesn't have a smell. This is what the pencil look like right there. I never tried a ColourPop lippy, I don't think, and this is in Songbird, and I'm gonna just go ahead and add it to my lips. Let's see. Nice spring color. Not too pink, which y'all know I don't like, but it's okay to mix it, I guess, with a nice liner. That's how the color looks swatched on my hand. And okay, I like ColourPop. Y'all know I love ColourPop. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Stick. And it retails for $6, guys. Up next, guys, this is an eyeliner pencil from Sigma. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like, the outside packaging, guys. And this is in the color Vintage, okay? Let's open her up and see. I never had a eyeliner from Sigma before. Okay. This is what it looks like outside of the package, guys. Nice, sturdy. Oh, and it's a regular pencil that you have to sharpen, a brown pencil. Oh, and it feels very creamy, goes on very nice. That is the color there, that brown and Vintage. And let's see what this retails for. If you have tried a Sigma eyeliner, please let me know in the comments below what you think of it. I think the formula is nice. I think it's nice and creamy, so let me know what y'all think. And this, guys, is the Sigma eyeliner, and it retails for $9. Up next, guys, we have from Glam Light, and this is a donut lip glaze here. This is what the packaging looks like. It is adorable, adorable. Now, I didn't really know too much about Glam Light until recently, and I'm kind of digging some of their products. I really am. And this is what that color looks like. I would have thought that it would have been like a brown or like this color here, because that's what the box looks like. But I guess it's the pink glaze off of this donut right there. So, okay. We're going to go with it. It is very, very, very pretty, guys. I'm not going to swatch it because y'all know I don't like lip glosses, but I don't want to smell it either. I'm just going to close it up. But I will put this in a giveaway for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful lip gloss. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Glam Light Cosmetics Donut Lip Glaze. And it retails for $12. And, oh, it just retails for $12. Up next, guys, we have from Glam Light again. This might be the month of Glam Light, huh, y'all? Okay. We have the Pizza Sliceette. What is this? Is it a palette? Let's see. Oh, this is cute. Ooh. It does come with a mirror. Hey, girl. This is the palette right there. But I don't know. Something is up with this color here. I mean, it looks cute. It's a nice palette. The colors are very neutral colors. It looks like you have like shimmer shades, duochrome shades, it looks like. So it must be like an all shimmer palette. And it's very cute, guys. It opens up like this and it shows this half of, well, like a half pizza. There's 6 shadows in this little thing here. It is very cute, guys. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the Foodie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $21.99. I'm gonna go ahead on and swatch it because I'm not gonna put it in a giveaway. That's what they look like on my fingertips here. And those are the colors right there swatched out. Hope you guys can see it. They're very pretty, shimmery. They'll be good topper colors. And last up from Bijou, we have this Sigma Chrome Glow Shimmer and Highlight palette right here. This is gorgeous, guys. I love this. And, ooh, this is what it looks like on the back. And let's go ahead on and open this baby up. Ooh, it's very pretty, guys. Very pretty. Oh, wow. This one comes with a mirror, too. Hey, girl. And, okay, these colors are very different. And what is this? This is a shimmer and highlight palette. Okay, here are the shades right here, guys. For this palette, you have, I guess this would be a good palette for all skin tones, especially this one in the middle would be good for deeper skin tones. The rest would be like for my light to medium light people. So yeah, this is a very pretty palette, guys. I love that the pans are so big. I do love that. I will be putting this in a giveaway as well, because I don't think I'm gonna reach for this too often. So yeah, okay. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Sigma Chroma Glow Shimmer and Highlight Palette, and it retails for $39, guys. So that was my final product in this month's box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and then we'll be done, okay? So we did get this little car air freshener right here. From Sigma, we got this Chrome Glow Highlighter and Shimmer Palette. We also got from Glam Light this donut lip gloss here. This pizza slice at Foodie Cosmetics palette. From Sigma, we got this little eyeliner pencil here in vintage. And from ColourPop, this lippy stick here. So that is, let's see, 5 products for this month, guys. So my final thoughts on this Bijou's beauty box for January is I actually thought it was a pretty cool box. I have a lot of products up in here that I have not used before, which makes me super excited. The value, they have it on the bottom of this card for this month, is $87.99. And remember, guys, it is a $30 per month beauty subscription. That was the one issue that I've always kind of had with Bijou, is that for the price of $30 plus $5 shipping, and the value is only like, you know, $87. This is a box that I would put on the same page as like BoxyCharm and Ipsy because of the price point. And to only have an $87 value is not really cool. I don't really like that too much. Now, the products that we did get, I must say, are very cool this month. I'm gonna use the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use these two products here, the lippy and the eyeliner. And these two I'm gonna put into giveaways for you guys. So 3 out of 5 is not a bad box. I did have products in here that I did not even know existed, like with Sigma. But I think for what we got this month, I think it's a pretty cool box. I think this box would definitely be a good fit for a teenage girl or boy for this month, because you have a lot of playful, like, you know, teenager, early 20 things, which is not a bad thing, but I think that they would really enjoy this box. As for myself, I think that it's a good box. I think that just for the price point, the value needs to be a little higher, or maybe get more items. I don't know. If I had to rate it though, on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wood, to 5 being this box is the bombs.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give Bijou for this month a solid 3. I just think that the price point needs to be a little bit higher for you know, what you're paying. $30, I expect $100, $110 value at least. But I do not think that it's a bad box. I think we got some pretty cool products. This will be my last month with Bijou. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this month's box. Let me know if you are subscribed to Bijou or not. Let me know also what you think about it being a $30 box and you only get an $87 value. Let me know how you feel about that, guys. And if you think the products are worth it and you don't care about the value, let me know that as well. I am very interested in knowing your thoughts on this box. So guys, that is all that I have for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl if you haven't. Go to my Instagram and follow me, comment, you know, interact with me, guys. I do love it. So guys, yes, that's all that I have. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you all. Be blessed. Peace.